the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.